Let me show you how to fix WhatsApp contacts not showing. So if your contacts are not being uploaded within WhatsApp, in today's video, let me show you the way on how you can fix this issue. Now, the first thing that you need to ensure is that the permission within WhatsApp is allowed. So what you need to do is tap and hold the app of WhatsApp, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to app permission and make sure that the contact is set to allow. If this was not set to allow, this is the exact issue that you're facing. The second thing that you can try out if this first solution does not work for you is try to refresh your contact list within WhatsApp. So just head over to your WhatsApp and tap on the chat option or the new chat option on the bottom right of the screen, and then right here on the top right you should be able to see a three-dotted line, and if you tap on it you'll be able to see the option called refresh. You can simply tap on it and all of your contacts should refresh and should start to show up within this section. Now, even after trying both of these steps, you're still having issues with it. You'll also need to make sure that the background WhatsApp is synced. So within your phone settings, you need to just head over to your phone settings, scroll down to the bottom, head over to account and sync, and make sure that within WhatsApp it is synced. So you can just tap on the sync option, or you can just tap on sync now within the settings inside. So once you try all of these steps, you should be able to fix the WhatsApp contacts not showing. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.